Hello everyone, welcome to this part of video. In this video, we shall see how to convert CAD lines into Revit lines. So in order to convert CAD lines into a Revit line, ensure that you have linked or imported a CAD file. So in this particular example, we can see we have linked a sample drafting which has few lines on particular layers. So once this step has been done, then you have to click on a button which says CAD to lines. So once you press this button, you will have a pop-up like this, wherein you have to first select the appropriate CAD file. So all the CAD files which are available in a current window shall be visible over here. So let's select sample drafting for our example. Now let's select the CAD layer name from that particular CAD file. So you will be able to see all the CAD layers from that particular CAD file. So let's select SAD, and now we can also select line type. So you can always select detail or model line depending upon your requirement. Now let's select line style. So once this is done, we have to click on create lines. So you can see a pop-up wherein it will give you an appropriate number of lines that has been created. Next, we have to select another layer which says RAD. Now let's change the line type to model line, and now let's change line style to RAD, and let's say create lines. So once this is done, you can see a pop-up saying success and number of lines have been created. So once this is done, you have to click on finish. So once you click on finish, you can see the appropriate lines have been created as per CAD lines with proper line style. Also, you can see model lines have been created. You can view them in 3D as normal model lines. This will be created at a level elevation. Thank you for watching this video.